The news which we already know is that the Boeing Leonardo team won a $2.38 billion contract to manufacture a new batch of helicopters to replace the Air Force Bell UH-1N. The Bell UH-1N is used to guard the service nuclear missile silos. The delivery of these choppers from Boeing would be done by 2021 tentatively. Boeing and Leonardo's MH-139 Grey Wolf, which is a militarized version of the commercial AW139 manufactured by the Leonardo subsidiary, which is AgustaWestland in Philadelphia. The other competitor, which was in this particular contract deal, was Lockheed Martin's Sikorsky's UH-60 Black Hawk. Just to know more about the MH-139A Grey Wolf, it's a 15-seat, medium-sized, twin-engined helicopter developed and built by AgustaWestland, which is now called the Leonardo. It is marketed at several different roles, including VIP corporate transport, offshore transport, firefighting, law enforcement, search and rescue, emergency medical service, disaster relief, and maritime patrol. Now, the latest update on this particular chopper is that the US Air Force new MH-139 Grey Wolf helicopter, which will be replacing the Bell UH-1N, which is guarding the nuclear missile fields, is at risk for bursting over its weight limit. The Grey Wolf, which is going through its development phase and which has completed its critical design review 5 months earlier than predicted in June 2019, the Government Accountability Office has voiced concerns that the final weight of this particular chopper could be more than expected and which could lead to some performance drawbacks. According to the sources, the MH-139A Grey Wolf helicopter, as it is currently designed, may not be able to meet all performance requirements if the final weight of the aircraft exceeds the design parameters. That means, if an appropriate weight is not achieved, this particular chopper may not be able to meet the requirements for speed or the range. The MH-139 should be able to hit the 135 knot cruise speed and fly for at least 3 hours and a minimum distance of 225 nautical miles without needing to be refueled. Like the Bell UH-1N, the Grey Wolf will be able to carry 9 fully loaded troops. A weight gain could impact all these performance characteristics. So what for these choppers are being inducted by the United States Air Force? The US Air Force plans to buy 84 Grey Wolf helicopters over the course of the program, and this aircraft will be used for a wide variety of missions, which includes defending the intercontinental ballistic missile fields, search and rescue, and other activities in the national capital region. So that was all about the current status of Boeing MH-139A Grey Wolf helicopter development status and the concerns over its weight exceeding the design parameters. All we can do now is to keep track of the progress being made and to see how they handle the weight parameters in order to make sure it doesn't impact any of the performance characteristics. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.